This is not good.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. Yeah, we got problems. We got problems. Anyways, so a few days ago I asked you guys what you guys would like to see most, whether a drag truck build or restoring this. By landslide victory, you guys wanted to see this thing fully restored, done, full working drivetrain. When I say done, I mean like 100% finished, full working four-wheel drive, manual tunes good, working ABS, no lights on the dash, everything done. Obviously it might be a little bit hard depending on what route we go with the front end, but anyways, pretty much a complete, full working, no light, basically SEMA build. Basically a SEMA build. That's what we're going for, but fully functional, not any of these zip tied on drive shafts or anything. Anyways, what you just saw is you can see it right here, there's coolant coming out of my number 8 injector hole. It's not above it, it's not around it, it's coming out of the hole. This truck is an LOI, not an LB7, so there's no cups to crack or seals to break or anything. So I'm willing to bet that the head's cracked. And that's the reason this kind of came up as a topic of discussion on why I want to redo this, because if this didn't happen, I probably would just jumped right in the drag truck, finish this later. But because truck is pretty much down and out, I want to redo the steering anyways. I want to get some nice wheels for it and everything, and kind of just really clean everything up and, you know, just like redo the entire truck. I mean interior, exterior, like everything down, like even these frame plates are gonna get cut off, like new cross members, everything, 4-link the rear, all that stuff. It's because we hurt the motor. So what that means is this truck is probably gonna end up with a built motor. So I'm not talking full like forged motor for everything, but we're at least gonna be doing a full probably 800 to 1,000 horsepower build. So with that being said, motor is gonna get redone, probably LBZ heads put on it, change things up, everything and all that stuff. But that's basically what's happening and why we're in this situation. So bed's coming off, I need to find a new bed. This thing's trashed. I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but the rust is kind of taking this truck over. It's a little fucked up. There's a hole here, a lot of stuff you don't see from far away, but you do see up close and personal. So it's not a clean truck. The frame on the inside's hurting back here, it's a little flaky. So basically we're gonna be taking this truck down to absolutely nothing except a frame, no bolts, no nothing. Probably building cross members, building all my mounts, cutting everything off that we don't need, getting all the stuff rid of it, building all the custom cross members, brackets, everything, then sending it out to get painted. Powder coat axles, powder coat everything, you know. So pretty much if it can be done, we're gonna do it. And I want to bring an old cat eye to SEMA at some point. I don't know how I'm gonna get in, I don't know what sponsors we're gonna have, if we have any. I don't know how long this is gonna take, if we'll even make it to SEMA next year, but pretty much we're on the SEMA crunch for 2020 SEMA if we can get in somewhere. So that's pretty much the goal here. In a few weeks we'll probably start tearing it down. I just need to get some logistics worked out and everything, so it's gonna take some time, but I don't know how much custom. Maybe we'll make our own bumpers, all that good stuff, sell these ones off for some money, kind of everything. But yeah, so that's where we're at. This motor's pretty much hurt. I still drive it, which probably isn't the best thing. I can do a compression check on it, or a coolant exhaust gas check on it, but I don't care. I know it's hurting anyways. If this is the route we're going, it's coming apart anyways. I have plenty of blocks laying around. We're gonna buy some heads, so pretty much that's where we're at. So I just want to do a quick video to inform you guys that this is the issue we're having, what we're dealing with, and why it's going this way. So this is the 2020 build. That's pretty much, it's gonna go down for 2020. This is it. This is what we're working on. We're gonna start tearing it down and make everything super clean and super pretty. But I'm rambling on. That's pretty much all I have to say to you guys. There's not really much more to say besides fixing all this stuff too. All the nasty like hand cut brackets that I made. We don't need that anymore. We got a CNC table, we got welders, I'm going to fab school, so hopefully I'll know how to weld, because apparently everyone thinks I don't know how to weld, even though I drove the truck across the country twice on the same welds. I haven't even checked since I built it. My shitty ass bars that no one cared about. Everyone thought this truck wasn't gonna make it. I've driven across the country twice, so there's gonna be pretending middle finger here to all the people who are like, you don't know what you're doing. Okay, yeah, whatever. Everyone's a welder with a grinder, don't forget, guys. So anyways, we're gonna clean up some skills. We're gonna get better at building stuff, just getting cleaner, because I know a lot of the time my builds always haven't been so clean. More function over form, I think that's the right way to say it. So anyways, it's time to start tearing. We're getting rid of these wheels too, so they're not really leaving, but they're not gonna be on this truck here shortly. So yeah, expect to see that in the next few weeks, guys, and everything gets started. And it's probably gonna be like a year-long process. Well, 8-9 months until November when SEMA happens, or whatever shows we can get it done for. Still working on getting a trailer, still gonna work on the red truck, still gonna run the business. So a lot to do, a lot going on, but this is 2020 SEMA crunch, I guess, technically. I don't even know if we'll make it. We may not. I don't have any hopes. I'm just redoing my truck, so if we get to go to SEMA, great. If we don't, whatever, it's just SEMA. No one really cares anyways. So whatever, I'm happy making videos. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some videos restoring this, show you guys how to restore things, maybe do all the cosmetic work, learn to do body work. Luckily, my business partner Eric happened to used to work at Caliber Collision, so he knows how to do body work and paint. We got the connections, we got the tools to do it, so we're just gonna hit it hard and do it. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are happy with the choice. We will still be building a drag truck here in the next year or so. I still want to go fast, I really do, but I'd let you guys decide because I wanted to. You guys decided on this, so that's what we're doing. Man of my word, you guys decided, you picked this, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, now you know why everything's going the way it is. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe and stay with the rebuild of my custom built Duramax. That's for those of you who don't know, it's a compound turbo ZF6 solid axle swap. Pretty much the only one I know of in the world right now, but I'm sure there's some other custom guys out there, but it's a pretty rare truck. So we're gonna get to work on it, make sure everything's legit, maybe go up a little bit and try and get some bigger tires. So that's gonna do it, guys. I'm out of here. I gotta clean up and get ready for the week ahead. So catch you guys later. Bye.